Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Rover how to cancel a pending request. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel a pending request on Rover, what you need to do first is head over and then open up your Rover app. Now once you're inside your Rover app, what you need to do is tap on the inbox icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is go to the pending tab on the top, then tap the booking or request you want to cancel. Then scroll down and then tap on cancel request, and once you do that, you need to select a reason for your cancellation. Now once you're done with that, all you gotta do is tap on submit, and once that's done, you'll be able to cancel the pending request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.